Okay, so today I'm going to be going through my entire wash day using Shea Moisture's Manuka honey and yogurt line. It's supposed to help you control damaged and brittle hair. So we're going to be seeing exactly how these products work for my hair today. If you're interested, then just keep watching. So I'm just starting off, just trying to get the water warm. I like my water more on the warmer to hot side. Once I get that ready, I'm going in and rinsing out the current conditioner in my hair. At this point, before I start the wash day with the actual Shea Moisture, I had some herbal essences shampoo in my hair. I mean, not shampoo, conditioner in my hair. And right after I took out my braids. So I'm just getting that out, thoroughly detangling and just making sure I'm prepping myself for the Shea Moisture. So once I start that process, everything will be fully washed out of my hair. So I'm starting out with the shampoo, and it's very liquidy, but it's very moisturizing to the touch. And I'm putting this at the base of my scalp. I'm not putting this on my ends at all. And as you can see, with minimal water, this product is lathering very easily. It's very sudsy. So that's a good sign for me. I like the feel of things. I like to feel my hair getting clean. So the product getting very sudsy early on is a plus to me. So if you don't like that, then you won't like this product. But one thing I can say, this shampoo did a great job with making my hair feel cleansed, and then it still felt moisturized after the fact. So even though you see all these suds lathering up and it looks like, oh, it's going to be very stripping, it wasn't at all. It was very moisturizing, very nourishing, and my hair just felt very clean but soft at the same time. I didn't feel like any oils or anything was stripped from my scalp. So I love this shampoo, seriously. So I'm going in with the conditioner, and it's pretty thick in consistency. So as I put that through my hair, I'm putting it on my ends first and then finger raking it through. And it just doesn't feel like it's getting into my hair strand, so I just keep using more and more and more just to get that perfect feel. Because obviously looking at the camera, it looks like it's all distributed, but I couldn't feel that while I was doing my hair. So that was really a downside for this. So here you're going to see me parting my hair in different sections, trying to thoroughly get that through with my fingers, just trying to make sure that it's distributed right, because as it looks on camera, it doesn't feel that way. It feels as if like there's nothing there, essentially. Like it didn't do anything. My hair wasn't feeling moisturized. It wasn't feeling thoroughly penetrated, and there was little to no slip. So all that me running my hands through the water is because I already finger detangled my hair. So this didn't help with, keeping my hair detangled. So I had to go back in and just keep applying product. So that was a really big downside for this conditioner. It really didn't do anything. It was just no point of me even using this at one point. Like, I just wanted to rinse it out and use something else. Now you just see me going through and just making sure my hair is completely detangled. And as you can see, there's no slip. You see how the comb is going through my hair? This is in real time. So you can see me pulling through and trying to detangle from the ends to the root. And it's just not giving me much help. So it looks like I'm being rough, but I'm really not. It's just, like I said, there was no slip. There was no help from this conditioner.
Okay, so I just washed my hair with the shampoo conditioner from the Shea Moisture line, and I'm about to do the deep conditioning mask. This is a protein infused product line. This is for damaged hair, dry hair, brittle hair, type stuff like that. I don't really have dry damaged hair. I mostly just took out braids. I had them in for like a week. Nothing serious, but I'm trying to incorporate, little by little, adding protein into my regimen every once in a while, just so that I can make sure like my hair is good and balanced. But yeah, it says to distribute this from root to tip, focusing more on the tips, and then leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. I mean 10 to 15 minutes. And just like my last deep conditioner video, I'm going to start at the back of my hair and work towards the front. Just like before, I'm gonna put my stuff in the microwave, let it sit, and then put it on my heat. Okay, so I just, put my t-shirt in the microwave for 59 seconds and put my thing over it. This is how I'm going to deep condition. I'm not going to do it with my hooded thing because I don't feel like it. I never feel like it. It says to leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to leave this in for 10 to 15 minutes. But while we wait, I'm going to talk about the products. The smell of these products aren't really like perfume, fragrance based. They just smell like, it smells like they have a hint of vanilla or something like that, just to give it a smell. But it's not supernatural either. It's like, it's very faint, and it's just, you really don't notice it that much. It's not something when you open it is like, oh my god, or whatever. So this is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This product is only $8.99, so I'm giving it a pass. Honestly, it's not that much. This is 8 fluid ounces, so it's not that much in here. I probably get, if I go sparingly, probably 2 more uses of this. But to be honest, if I did it how I just did it, it's probably 1. So this isn't that much, but it was $8.99. It's one of the more affordable products from Shea Moisture. Most of their stuff ranges from like $12 to $14 for the most part, from what I've seen. And you saw me the squeezy tubes for the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo, shampoo lasts you a long time. I can use that shampoo over and over again. I feel like it won't damage my hair or put too much protein in my hair. So I can probably get away with using the shampoo more often than anything else. The conditioner, it was very thick. And not really in a good way. I like my regular conditioners to be more slick so I can detangle my hair. As you saw in the video, I was finger combing through my hair. It was actually making me work a little bit harder for that. And then I ended up having to go in with my wide tooth comb. So it was okay. Like I said, none of the stuff had a smell, and it wasn't really moisturizing or nourishing. None of these things. that it claims, like, you know, to hydrate. And my hair didn't feel more hydrated. It didn't feel, you know, softer. It didn't feel moisturized. It just felt clean, to be honest. It didn't really do much. The conditioner was not as good as the shampoo. So I'll use it because I brought it, but it's not really nothing too exciting. All in all, the conditioner was just, it wasn't really anything, you know, spectacular. So, it was lackluster. It really didn't give me much slip. It was too thick, and it was thick for nothing because it was not moisturizing at all. It felt like it was barely even in my hair. It was really irritating me. And I feel like I had to keep adding more, and I used way more conditioner than I thought I should have. So that kind of bothered me. So, to be honest, I wouldn't even purchase the shampoo and conditioner. If I did just want to use this protein treatment, I would just use the protein treatment. So yeah, so once we are done with this and I wash this out, I'll come back and give my final thoughts on the actual protein treatment. And yeah, okay, so I washed everything out, and pretty much this is how my hair feels. No product in it at all. My curls are a little more defined in some areas, but you know, that tells me that it's penetrated at least a little bit. My hair doesn't feel more moisturized. It doesn't feel more, well, my ends do feel a little more hydrated, if that makes sense, but my hair is like still clearly soaking wet. So I mean, that's a thing, I guess. It claims, like I said, hydrates, moisturizes, and strengthens hair strands. So I mean, I don't know what my hair being strengthened feels like, because like I said, I didn't really need this in the first place. It's just a precaution. You want to do things like that, add things into your regimen for precaution. You want to make sure you're, you know, helping yourself out along the way. You don't want to wait till something bad happens then try to add protein or whatever. But for the most part, my hair is, you know, clean. It feels a little moisturized. I feel a little bit of the residue from, but it's not like a bad residue feeling. It's like I can feel it on my hair. It's not like a film or anything. As a preventative mask, I think it does well. I really can't help if, with my opinion, if someone is like in desperate need of protein and you should use it or not. This is a cheaper alternative to the two-step protein treatment from like the beauty supply store, and that works really, really well. But this is $8.99, and that, to those two together for conditioner, I mean a shampoo, conditioner, and the treatment is like $26. So I mean, you know, you pick and choose your battles. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I think I will recommend it for the cost. It is, you know, it does what it says it would do. As far as the shampoo and conditioner, if you want to purchase a shampoo, I think it's an okay shampoo to purchase, but at the same time, at the price of $8.99, it's not really worth it. It doesn't really do anything more than what my other shampoos do. As far as the treatment, I definitely would recommend the treatment. Shampoo, conditioner is a little iffy. It just depends on what you feel. The conditioner felt like it didn't do anything to my hair at all. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like this video. You comment down below your thoughts on it. If you used this before, let me know. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're really fucking with the videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and have a good day.